get her upstairs.
Think you can make it?
No. I'll put her somewhere else. Yeah.
Whoa.
Yeah. Right. Good.
She looks so peaceful when she's asleep. Like a doll.
A doll with a sinus problem. We should put a pillow under her head. I think that helps. Good. Much worse. Interesting. Do you think we should change her clothes? Right. Don't know where that came from.